Hello friends and welcome back to a new video of useless tricks. Today I'm gonna solve a problem which many of the people face but cannot find any solution. This solution I got from a YouTuber named Chamuka, and thanks to him for providing this solution. His video will be linked in the description. Please check him out, and I will solve this problem in this video. So let's get started. At first, what I want to do is what you want to do is there will be a drive link, this link in the description, this link you want to go in that link, in that drive link, and download this file. This file, you have to download this file, and when you have downloaded it, extract here, extract to Mac to whatever it is, and now you want to rename it and put it as Mac 2 only. Okay, so when you have put it at Mac 2, just copy or cut it and put it to the drive you want. For me it's videos, and I want to put it here. That pop-up came for me because already I have tested the solution. It worked for me. I hope it will work for you as well. So I have tested it here, and if you want, you can delete it. I'm deleting it because I don't need it. Now you want to go to commands prompt or CMD and put it as run administrator. When you then give yes, of course, otherwise it won't work. Now you want to give the drive letter which you have kept the Mac 2 file thingy. So here for me it's E, so I'm giving E, and after that when you have given E, then write CD slash the name Mac 2. Okay, Mac 2. Now you want to give these following numbers or things for to make it work. So at first, to enable the value banner, you need to type Mac to enable 18299130. Okay, it will come. Nothing to worry about it. It's nothing. Then another thing is to enable OneDrive thing. You want to go to you want to type again Mac to enable 196.38.38.738. Again, nothing to worry about. Then go to enable rewards. You want to type Mac to again enable and put it as 196.38.38.738. Got it right there. And to enable the domain join missions, the internal one, Mac to enable 188.63.954. Nothing. Now it's done. So I want to just close it, and you can close this and restart your PC. Alright, so yeah, after restarting, I hope the problem is solved, and thanks for watching.